Here I have VIVO Y01, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Portable Hotspot on this device. So firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find Hotspot. You can switch it by tapping on this button. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. For example, you can switch hotspot here. You can display a QR code to instantly connect to your hotspot. You can change hotspot name. You can select its security protocol. You can change its password. You can change its AP band. And you can set up one-time mobile data usage limit. And also you can set hotspot to turn off automatically when nobody is connected. And that's are all the settings for this mode. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.